In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the code view in Lovable AI and what to do if it's read-only. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the code interface inside the builder and how account levels affect what you can do there. First, sign into Lovable AI. Make sure you're on a stable connection and logged into the correct workspace if you use more than one. This ensures you'll see the right projects and have the permissions associated with your account. If you're collaborating with a team, double-check you're using the workspace where the project actually lives so the builder loads as expected. Next, open your project from the dashboard. Pick the project you want to inspect or modify. Opening it takes you directly into the builder where you can design and test your application. Give the builder a moment to load all assets so the toolbar and previews appear correctly. Inside the builder, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar, which usually includes options like preview and other quick access buttons. This is your control center for jumping between design, preview, and code-related tools. Keeping your focus here makes it easier to switch contexts without hunting through menus. To access the code interface, click the code icon located right beside the preview button. This opens the code view for your project. It's designed to show you the underlying implementation so you can inspect how components are wired together. Viewing the code can be especially helpful for debugging, learning how generated pieces work, or confirming that recent changes are reflected under the hood. If you see that the code view is read-only, that means you're on a standard account. On this plan, you can look through the code, but you won't be able to make direct edits or use certain advanced code features. This limitation helps keep projects stable while still giving you visibility into the structure. To unlock full functionality, such as editing code directly within the builder, you'll need to upgrade your account. Upgrading typically grants write access and additional tools that streamline development and collaboration. Before upgrading, consider your needs. If you regularly tweak generated code, collaborate with developers, or require export and integration features, the higher tier plan is likely worth it. When you're ready, look for the upgrade prompts within the app to review plan details and proceed. That's it. You've signed in, opened your project, located the toolbar, entered the code view, and understood why it may be read-only and how to unlock editing when needed.